So what is the difficulty with integrated reporting? See, the major difficulty is in auditing it. It's very straightforward to audit and financial report. If a company is going to give only financials in its audit in its annual report, it's very easy to audit. But in integrated reporting, it's very difficult to audit because this kind of auditing skill is not readily available. So all the audit companies throughout the world are trying to improve their skill set. They are getting new people from outside to audit this kind of an integrated report. So you can't have a traditional auditing team to do it. See, not all the parts of an integrated report can be audited. Okay, only some parts which are like financial parts can be audited. The other things usually cannot be audited. For example, strategy, outlook, this cannot be like audited. So only certain things can be audited. And if you can observe, the integrated audit report is much more bigger, much more depth, and much more comprehensive when compared to a normal annual report. So the cost of doing this is always at the higher end. So to audit integrated reporting, the company should have a proper set of record systems and controls. And it requires different types of professionals to give an opinion. So we can't have only a financial auditor. We should have a social auditor. We should have an environmental auditor. So we should have a performance auditor. So the kind of auditors required are like more different now. And the auditor cannot give much his opinion about a lot for the entire integrated report. He can give only for a section of it, because if he gives for the entire report, he will be under liability because he is giving his opinion. He can't give his opinion for things which he doesn't know. So he doesn't want to increase the liability. So what happens is, only parts of an integrated report can be audited and can also be given an opinion. And how can we say that we have done a good audit? That kind of a criteria is like very difficult for integrated report auditing. So there are like two parts of it. Certain areas of integrated reporting which can be audited and assured. Certain things that cannot be audited or we can't give an assurance. So these are the areas. So just pause the video and go through it by yourself.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.